In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom account. This is a straightforward process that will enable you to host and join video meetings seamlessly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First, grab your computer or device and open up your web browser. In the address bar, type in zoom.com and hit Enter. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, you'll see the option to sign up in the top right corner. Look for a button that says Sign Up Free or Sign Up, it's free. Go ahead and click that. Now the next step is to verify your age. You'll need to select your birth year from a drop-down menu. This is just to ensure that you're old enough to create an account based on Zoom's terms of service. Once you've chosen your birth year, click the Continue button to move on to the next step. After age verification, it's time to choose how you want to register your account. Zoom offers a few different methods for signing up. If you prefer traditional methods, you can simply enter your email address in the provided field. Alternatively, if you want to save some time, you can link Zoom to an existing account. Zoom supports several options here, including Google, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, or even your company's single sign-on if that applies to you. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the prompts accordingly. If you go the email route, after entering your email address, you'll receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox for an email from Zoom. This will contain a link that you'll need to click to verify your account. If you've chosen a social media account or Google to register, you might be prompted to log in to that service to grant Zoom access. Once you've completed these steps, you may need to fill out a quick form to provide some basic information, such as your name. After that, there might be a few more prompts on screen. Just follow along, and before you know it, you'll be all set up. Congratulations! You've just created your Zoom account. You'll now be taken directly to your new Zoom dashboard. Here, you have the flexibility to schedule meetings, join meetings that others have set up, and explore various settings and features available to you. By clicking on different options within your dashboard, you'll discover functions like scheduling a meeting, starting an instant meeting, and even inviting others. This is where you will get familiar with how to use Zoom effectively, whether you're collaborating with colleagues or catching up with friends and family. That wraps up our guide on how to create a Zoom account. It's a quick and easy process, and now you're ready to jump into the world of video conferencing. Remember, you can always access Zoom from any device as long as you log into your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this.